Natural light has a transformative effect on any living space. It makes rooms feel larger, enhances interior colors, boosts mood, and creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. For Pell City homeowners, one of the most effective ways to maximize natural light is by upgrading to modern patio doors. Whether you choose sliding, French, or folding styles, today's patio doors are designed to capture daylight and brighten your home in ways traditional windows simply can't. If you're looking to refresh your living spaces or make your home feel more open and airy, here's how patio doors can bring more natural light into Pell City homes, and why homeowners across the area are embracing this upgrade. Large glass panels that capture more sunlight. Unlike standard doors or smaller windows, patio doors typically feature expansive glass panels that allow significantly more sunlight to flow into your home. This design maximizes visibility and brightness throughout the day, helping even small or shaded rooms feel more open. Many modern patio doors come with oversized glass panes, narrow, minimalistic frames, floor-to-ceiling height options. These features create a nearly unobstructed view to the outdoors while delivering abundant daylight. For Pell City homes surrounded by beautiful landscapes, calm backyards, or scenic views, patio doors offer an ideal way to bring the outdoors inside, literally brightening your living experience. Enhancing room aesthetics and creating a spacious feel. More natural light isn't just functional, it dramatically improves the atmosphere of your home. Sunlight naturally enhances colors, highlights decor, and makes your interior feel more welcoming. Rooms that once felt dark or cramped suddenly feel more spacious and refreshing. Homeowners often notice a more open, airy environment, improved visibility throughout common areas, better balance between indoor and outdoor spaces. This makes patio doors a great investment for living rooms, dining rooms, and kitchens where families gather and entertain. Custom glass options that maximize light without overheating. In Pell City's warm Alabama climate, homeowners value natural light, but not the excess heat that sometimes comes with it. Fortunately, modern patio doors use advanced glass technologies that allow plenty of sunlight in while blocking heat and harmful UV rays. Popular options include low emissivity, glass double or triple pane insulated glass, tinted or UV protective coatings. These features help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, reduce glare, and prevent furniture and flooring from fading, giving you all the benefits of natural light without the downsides. Improving energy efficiency while brightening your home. One of the biggest misconceptions about patio doors is that large glass areas make your home less efficient. Modern patio doors are designed specifically to combat heat transfer, drafts, and temperature loss. With insulated glass, advanced seals, and energy-efficient frames, these doors help keep your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. This means Pell City homeowners can enjoy brighter spaces while still maintaining excellent energy performance. As an added bonus, the increased natural light reduces your need for artificial lighting during the day, helping lower electricity costs over time. Creating seamless indoor-outdoor living. Pell City homeowners love incorporating outdoor living into their lifestyle, and patio doors help make that transition seamless. The combination of natural light and wide entryways blurs the line between indoor and outdoor spaces, making your home feel bigger and more connected to its surroundings. Whether you enjoy hosting backyard barbecues, relaxing on your porch, or simply watching the sunrise from your living room, patio doors bring your outdoor scenery right into your home. Boosting home appeal and overall value. Natural light is one of the most sought-after features for homebuyers. By installing modern patio doors, you enhance both the interior feel and the exterior appeal of your Pell City home. The result? A brighter, more inviting living environment, increased home value, a modern look that appeals to future buyers. Patio doors offer one of the highest returns of any home improvement project, making them a smart investment whether you're staying in your home or planning to sell. Final thoughts. Patio doors do far more than provide access to the backyard. They bring in natural light, improve aesthetics, enhance comfort, and increase the value of Pell City homes. With modern energy-efficient designs, homeowners can enjoy beautifully bright spaces without sacrificing comfort or efficiency.